Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a cook with me Jamaican traditional Sunday dinner, and today I'll be making curry pork, gunga rice and peas, and some potato salad. So let's get straight into this video. So here I have some onion, garlic, green onions, and Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this all together. So here I have some pork shoulder blade, which I'm going to cut up into pieces. But what's going on right now, you got to make do with what you have. So this is what I'll be using to make my curry pork. So it's time to go ahead and give your pork a rinse, and I went ahead and rinsed it off with some water and some lemon juice. You can use lemon, lime, vinegar, whichever you choose. And I don't want anyone telling me not to wash my meat because scientists says this and that. Nope, I will listen to my ancestors on this one. So go ahead and wash your meat, people. Now it's time to go ahead and season the pork. So here I have some black pepper, allspice, garlic powder, onion powder, and some salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour this all over the pork. Now for the main ingredient, the curry powder. I swear this is the best curry I've ever had, Indian goat curry. If you're from Jamaica and live in Clarendon Parish, specifically in the Napron region, Yorktown area, get you some Indian girl curry. Her name is Patsy, she's on the main. Go ahead and get you some. I promise you it's the best curry I've ever had in my entire life. So yeah. And yes, I went ahead and added some thyme and my blended ingredients, and I'm gonna allow this to marinate overnight. And of course, once you handle any form of raw meat, poultry, fish, or seafood, you always want to disinfect the area. So here I'm disinfecting the area in which I handled the meat, cutting board, my knives, the sink, the countertop. So always disinfect once you're done handling any form of raw meat. So now it's the next day, and here I have some oil in a pan, and I'm going to go ahead and add the pork to it. Now, some people brown their curry before doing this step. You don't necessarily have to, but if you choose not to brown your curry before, make sure that you brown the meat properly. So this is what I'm gonna do: brown the meat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna allow this to do its thing. Now here I have some pigeon peas, aka gungo peas, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this a rinse. So now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pressure cooker, add some water and some garlic, and allow this to cook. You can go ahead and just cook it on its own without pressuring it, but it takes such a long time to cook this piece, so if you do have a pressure cooker, utilize that. Now that my pork is done browning to my satisfaction, I'm gonna go ahead and add water, and I'm just gonna allow this to cook until it's tender. It's time to rinse the rice off, and I went ahead and rinsed mine off for about 4 times or until the water is clear. So now that the piece has been in the pressure cooker for 45 minutes, it's time to check on it to see if it's fully cooked. So now it's time to work on the rice and peas itself. So here I'm adding some coconut powder. You're supposed to put this in water, honestly, and pour it into the pot. I don't follow instructions, so then this works for me regardless. As well as I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, green onion, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. You can also add pimento, but I didn't have any. So if you do have pimento, go ahead and add that into your pot. And here I'm adding the butter. Can't forget butter. So once it gets like this, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove down and allow it to do its thing. So here the pork is basically done at this point. Now the rice is also done. What I'm going to do next is just remove the green onion and the pepper from the pot. So now I'm going to work on the potato salad. Here I have some potatoes and egg, and I'm going to go ahead and cook that fully. Once it's cooked, you drain your water, and here is my potato salad. I have some green onions, some onion, as well as some mixed vegetables. I'm going to add some mayonnaise, and I'm going to whip that all together. I don't need to add salt or anything else because I add salt to the water, but whatever you feel fit, go ahead and add to your potato salad. Now this concludes my traditional Sunday dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. I hope that you stay safe during this Corona season, and see you next time. Take care.